Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to disable search history on Slideshare. I wonder why you want to know how to disable search history on Slideshare. Maybe because you want to block it so that you couldn't find what you have searched for, or maybe you're sharing your account with someone else so you just want to keep your privacy by hiding, or maybe just pausing your search history. Or there could be any other reason for you to do that. So, whatever the reason it could be, in this video, I'll show you how easily you can disable your search history on Slideshare. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure that you have already installed a Slideshare app, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. Once the app gets installed, make sure you have created your account on it and you're also logged in with your account on your device. Once you're done with all these things, just simply tap on the icon of the Slideshare app to open it. Once the app gets open, you will see this interface. This is how the app looks. Right now, we're in the home section, therefore, you could see all these slides on our home page. Other than home page, we have two categories. This one is explore. If you're looking for something specific, then you can search for it and the categories are available here. If you click on you will get into a profile. Here you could see your name, your following, follower list, like, save, and other stuff. So from all these options, you will see also this option settings icon. Just simply click onto this one. Once you get to this page, first you will read a title of settings and there you will see all these options. Every option here is different from each other and has its own purpose that it performs in this app. So along with all these options, here we have this option which says enable search history. Right now it is turned on. That means whatever is getting searched through this account will get saved. But if you don't want that, you can just simply click onto that green option and that option will be turned off. That means no search history will be saved. If you're using the account with someone else, so you might be thinking that they could see what you're looking for. So that's how you can hide it. So once you get back and go to explore section and once you search for something, then you will see that once you search it and after that it will not say what you have searched there. So here I have searched for economics and I found all these things. I just open a slide, will go through some of its pages and then will get back. And once I get back, I will try to remove what I have searched for. It will appear here because it is showing on this search bar. Once I remove it, you will see that we don't have anything through which we will get to know that, but it's just searched here. So that's how you can just disable your search history on this app. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can disable search history on Slideshare. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.